Sum number 9. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square and y is equal to mod x. So there is a parabola and a line. So the intersection area we have to find out. Solution. So here y is equal to x square. So this resembles the parabola that x square is equal to 4ay. So let us draw the parabola. Y is equal to x square. Now we have to draw y is equal to modulus x. So y is equal to modulus x. It will be like this. Y is equal to mod x. It will be like this. Y is equal to mod x. This is positive, this is negative. So first, what is y is equal to mod x? So mod x, this can be expressed as positive x if x greater than or equal to 0, negative x less than 0. Positive x if x is greater than or equal to 0, negative x is less than 0. This is positive x and this is negative x. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region. So in order to find the area of this shaded region, we have to find the point of intersection. One thing, y is equal to x square. Let us name this to be as equation 1. Now if I consider the positive positive x, y is equal to modulus x. In that, if I choose positive x, substitute 2 in 1. So substitute 2 in 1. So what happens? First equation implies x is equal to x square. Now x square minus x is equal to 0. So this implies if I take x commonly out, we get x into x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is equal to x. So this implies x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So we found out x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. If x value is 0, what happens to y? Y is also 0 because y is equal to x. So y is 0. If x is equal to 1, what happens? Y is equal to 1. So the point of intersection is 0, 0 and 1, 1. So 0, 0. This is 0, 0, 1, 1. This is x, x dash, y, y dash. Now, next, what happens if y is equal to minus x? So, y is equal to x square. Let us name this to be as 3. Y is equal to minus x. Let us name this to be as 4. So, if I substitute 4 in 3, if you want, you can take this as 1 and this to be as 3, third equation. So, if I substitute fourth equation in third, what happens? Minus x is equal to x square. So x square plus x is equal to 0. So if I take x commonly out, we get x into x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So if x is equal to 0, what happens? Y is also 0 because y is equal to minus x. So if x is equal to 0, y is also 0. If x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus x. So minus of minus 1. So y is equal to 1. So the point of intersection is 0, 0. X value is minus 1, 1. So 0, 0, minus 1, 1. So this is minus 1, 1. Now we have to find the shaded region, area of the shaded region. So how can we find the area of this shaded region? This is a parabola and the parabola is intersected by a line. So in order to find the area of this shaded region, area of the line minus area of the parabola. Okay, so if we subtract the area of these two parts, that is the line and the parabola, if I subtract this space, then definitely I will get this space, this area. So I have to subtract area of a line with area of a parabola. Area of bounded region equal to, so here we have the two spaces. This is first quadrant and second quadrant. So it is enough to find this first quadrant and then we can multiply with 2. So 2 times of integral, what is the limit? So here the limit is 0 to 1. So the limit is 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 y2 minus y1 into dx. So y2 minus y1 is, y2 is area of line and y1 is area of parabola. So this is equal to 2 integral 0 to 1 y2. So nothing but the line equation. Line is nothing but y is equal to modulus x. Here we have positive value. So y is equal to x. So y is equal to x minus area of a parabola. So what is the parabola equation which is given? Parabola equation is y is equal to x square. So y is equal to x square. I am just substituting x square into dx. Is it clear? This is area of line. This is area of parabola. Given area of line is y is equal to modulus x. So since we consider the positive quadrant, we have y is equal to x, and then that is y2 is equal to x, and y1 is nothing but area of parabola. Parabola equation is y is equal to x square. So we had written x minus x square dx. So this is equal to 2 times of, if I integrate, we get x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. The limit is 0 to 1. So 2 into upper limit 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Lower limit obviously 0. So 2 into 3 minus 1 is 1. Sorry, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 divided by 6. So 2 ones are 2 3s are. So the answer is 1 by 3 square unit is the answer. 1 by 3 square unit is the answer.